I am extraordinarily proud that the Foundation found in the National Committee a fantastic partner to launch this important conference, and it's our pleasure at the Foundation to have offered the seed funding for underwriting this gathering.
Who would have thought that in 2013 we would have marriage today in California and in the other states? Who would have thought that we're now talking about accessing benefits that have only been available to heterosexual married couples? So we've come quite a long way. Joining us today for this first of 3 town hall meetings in Northern California on this issue are, and I'm going to introduce them from here to there, Max Richmond, President and CEO of the National Committee to Preserve Social Security and Medicare. Grace, thank you, okay. Grace Kim, San Francisco Regional Commissioner for the Social Security Administration. Webb Phillips, Senior Legislative Representative for the National Committee to Preserve Social Security and Medicare. And Daniel Redmond with Johnston, Kinney, and Zuleika, LLP, a San Francisco-based law practice where Daniel focuses on elder law. I want to thank all of you for being here. It's really, really a treasure and a treat to have this much brain power in the room for this topic.
This community, many of you, as well as everyone who works and pays payroll taxes, is entitled to the full benefits of the program. And that's why we started working on this before the Supreme Court decision, and now we are committed to really facilitating that and to making sure that people that earn these benefits will know how to apply for them and receive them.
So right now we're at a point where we are taking claims for benefits for aged spouses. We're also looking at child's benefits as well, children of same-sex couples, and we're also looking at transgender issues.
But when the claim comes in, the decision will be retroactive to the date of the claim.
Correct, and that's exactly what I hope one of my purposes is in appearing in these town hall meetings is to encourage same-sex couples to apply for any kind of benefit that they think they may have before the agency, even if DOJ has not gotten to that claim yet. My message really to the LGBT community is to go out there, go onto our website, look at the information that's available, and file those claims even if we're not ready to adjudicate them yet.
Social Security office employees, they have a tick list that they go through to make sure that nothing slips by them in terms of missing an application that you can file. So what's really troublesome about the situation that we face today, and which is why we think these meetings are important, is that many people are already on Social Security. They've already been through that interview. The tick list has already been run, and under the rules that existed at the time, decisions were made as to whether or not they can qualify for benefits. Well, now we know that you may be able to get benefits on your spouse's record. We know that your children, your biological children, may be able to qualify for benefits on your spouse's record, who is not a biological parent. So there's a number of doors that have been opened that were previously closed.
You and your partner have a great disparity in how much you've earned and how much your benefit is. You need to talk to Social Security. If one of you would not be receiving Social Security at all, or would have to pay a premium for Medicare Part A, you need to talk to Social Security. There's a lot of other reasons to talk to Social Security also, but those two, I think, have got to be at the top of the list because they affect many, many people in the community.
What's the number one thing, Grace? And I think we've covered it, but I think we can't drive this point home enough. What's the one thing you would recommend that same-sex married couples do if they just aren't sure about whether or not they should be going down to apply?
First of all, go to our website, ssa.gov. We have a section on same-sex couples. It's growing. The information on our website is growing by the day. If you still have questions, go to our field office and file a claim. I really, this is our education piece for SSA, because we don't know what the future holds for all of our different claims. We don't know what the future holds for those states that don't currently recognize same-sex marriages, but what you can do is protect your interests by going and filing claims that you think you may have with the agency. That's really what I want folks to do, because then you are preserving your benefits once DOJ gets to that point where we can make a decision about those types of claims.